There it is, Judge. Okay, now we're ready.
Okay, let me put this aside. So then it's Neochi Richardson
Neochi Richardson.
is,
Richardson's gonna be the first one?
No, we're doing a plea, Maria, doing a
Oh,
plea.
okay, I'm sorry.
yeah, sorry, Maria, we had one left from this morning. We jumped
No
back.
problem.
Let me find Neochi.
We got her here.
No, I need to find the paper. I got it.
All right, Judge.
All right, and then I have to share with
She's
Neochi.
got two cases. Are we going on both, Joanne?
No, there's one dismissal.
Thank
Okay.
you. God, thank you, Jonathan.
Which one, Jonathan?
We're TIC, the one ending in 1-1.
1-1, got it. All right, Judge.
All right, are you Miss Neochi Richardson?
Yes,
Good morning. Can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
yes, sir.
Ms. Richardson, is it okay with you that we proceed with your plea hearing on this Zoom platform rather than in person? Is that okay?
That's fine.
All right, thank you. Ms. Richardson, you're charged by information in this case with the offense of criminal trespass of private property. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
That's a Class B misdemeanor, Ms. Richardson. So the range of punishment is anywhere from $0 to $2,000 in fines and up to 180 days in the Barrett County Jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Richardson, you have several legal rights. Oh, you can put your hand down, love.
Yes, sir.
You have several legal rights. You have the right to remain silent. You also have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in this case. Ms. Richardson, what that means is you could ask the state to call their witnesses into the courtroom, and then your lawyer, Ms. Eagle, could cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During that proceeding, Ms. Richardson, your lawyer could call as many witnesses as she would like for you or on your behalf in front of that same jury. Ms. Richardson, do you understand that you have those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you also understand, Ms. Richardson, that you do not have to give up those rights?
Yes, sir.
But if you want to give them up, you can. And the way you do it is by filling out all this paperwork that I have before me that I've shared with you. I hope I shared it. Did I share, Terry?
You're sharing. Yes, Judge.
I am? Okay.
Yeah.
All this paperwork called the defendant's waiver of constitutional rights and court admonitions. Ms. Richardson, did you go over all this paperwork in detail with your attorney before you signed it?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand what's in these documents?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because these documents tell me, Ms. Richardson, that you understand what you're charged with, you understand the range of punishment, and then you further understand you have all those trial rights that we just talked about, but you're telling me that you want to give up those rights or waive them so that you may enter into an agreement with the state of Texas. Ms. Richardson, is that what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
All right, then I will approve your waivers and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Ms. Richardson, evidently you have a plea bargain in this case. The first thing you need to understand about that is the fact that I don't have to go along with your agreement. However, if I don't go along with your agreement for any reason, I will allow you to withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything that you say in the next few minutes will not be held against you. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Richardson, please listen up to what the prosecutor's about to say. State, can you tell me the plea bargain in Ms. Richardson's case?
Yes, Judge. It's a $0 fine plus court cost, 15 days, Barrett County Jail, credit for time served. We ask time and money run concurrent, and the judge would be satisfied. The state is taking into consideration 713-611.
Joanne, is that the agreement as you understand it?
It is, Judge.
Ms. Richardson, is that the agreement as you understand it?
Yes, sir.
All right. Joanne, does Ms. Richardson have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against her?
She appears to, Judge.
Has she been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
She has.
In your opinion, is she legally competent to waive her rights and enter into this plea?
In my opinion, yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Neochi Richardson, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Richardson, please tell me how you plead to the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespass. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Not guilty.
Not guilty?
Yes, sir. No contest.
No contest, okay. I'm not trying to force you.
Yes,
Okay, no contest is your plea?
yes, sir.
Okay, Ms. Richardson, you understand I can still find you guilty on that no contest plea, right?
Yes, sir.
But after talking with your lawyer and given this plea bargain, have you decided it's in your own best interest to plead no contest?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Ms. Richardson. I will accept your plea and just give me a moment if you would, just to catch up with the paperwork here. All right, Ms. Richardson, based upon your plea, I find you guilty of the offense of criminal trespass, a Class B misdemeanor. Having made that finding, I assess punishment at 0 fine and the cost of court and 15 days in the Bear County Jail. The cost of court and the time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for all the time that you have served. So this judgment is in fact satisfied by the time that you've already served. I will also take into consideration County Court Case 713-611 as part of this plea bargain. I have filed your plea bargain in this case. You have no right to appeal, Ms. Richardson. Ms. Richardson, do you have any questions?
Will I be released today or?
I don't run the jail, but you should be as soon as they process all the paperwork and everything, okay?
Thank you, sir.
All right, you take care of yourself. Stay well when you get out, all right?
Yes, sir.
Joanne, always a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
You too.
Okay, Judge, you can take us off of YouTube if you can, please. We're done now with the docket.
Well, I did it before. I should be able to do it again. Let's see what I forget what I did.
Yeah, I